Hi, hello there. Welcome to my channel. My name is Tanya, or TitaniumBuilt, whichever you want to call me, and welcome. We are going to do a video today on the Idaho Four case. It just has to do with that case in general. That's what we've kind of been covering on my channel lately. We cover all true crime, so if that's something that you're into, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. That way more people can like the video as well, and they can enjoy it. So we are going to be talking about Brian Kohberger today. He is the suspect in the Idaho Four massacre that happened on November 13th, 2022. The victims in this case, we cannot forget about the victims. They are Kaylee, Gonzalez, Madison Mogan, Ethan Chapin, and Xana Kernodle. So with that being said, I just wanted to share an article with you guys that I found today, and I found it pretty interesting actually. So it's Brian Kohberger's father. Let me add this to the stream here. So it is Brian Kohberger's father, and they are, he is outside, his father is seen wearing a Life is Good zip up while cleaning the mess in his front yard that was caused by, the police arresting his son. So I'm going to go ahead and read over this really quick to you guys because I think that it's kind of important in the case. It kind of shows his dad's lack of emotion. So maybe it runs in the family. Because I don't think that if I was in jail for murdering 4 people, that my father would be out cleaning up the yard. So it says, exclusive, father of accused killer Brian Kohberger cleans up shattered glass from his front door and broken window blinds that were damaged after SWAT team descended on family's Pennsylvania home to arrest their son. And I forgot to tell you that Mia, that's her in the back. She's just getting comfortable. Michael Kohberger was spotted cleaning up the mess left behind from the December 30 SWAT team raid at the family's Albrightsville, Pennsylvania home. He was dressed casually in jeans and a gray hoodie embezzled with the words, "Life is good" in the back, as he used a wet, dry shop vacuum to tidy up. And it says, the dramatic bust saw law enforcement officers break open the property's front door to arrest murder suspect Brian Kohberger, age 28. Shards from the back door glass panel could be seen laying near a trash can, but containing broken window blinds that were also damaged during the bust. And then there he is in his little outfit there, his little Life is Good. The father of the accused killer, Brian Kohberger, was spotted cleaning up debris and shattered glass left on the family's Pennsylvania property a week after their son's dramatic arrest at their home. Michael Kohberger spent Sunday afternoon tidying up the mess from the SWAT team raid in Albrightsville that saw law enforcement break open the family's front door to apprehend the wanted murder suspect on December 30th. 10 days later, shards of glass and remnants of the door's decorative glass panel could still be seen laying near a trash can containing broken window blinds that were also damaged during the bust. There he is with his shop vac, his dad shoes to a T, the New Balance dad shoes. Definitely have those on. Yeah, he rubs me the wrong way. I don't know why. I shouldn't say that about someone's parents, but he does. He just rubs me the wrong way. It says, the elder Kohberger, 67, appeared to be faring well despite the horrific charges leveled against his son as he picked up the pieces outside their home. He was dressed casually in jeans and gray hoodie, embezzled with the words "Life is Good" in the back as he cleaned up as he cleaned up the remaining rubble around the property with a wet, dry shop vacuum. Neither of the alleged murderer's parents have spoken publicly since his arrest. However, the family is said to be in shock that their son is the primary suspect in the murders of the 4 University of Idaho students that were brutally knifed to death in their off-campus rental house on November 13th. And then you can see the glass pane there where it was broken. They had to put duct tape up on it. And you can see the broken, blinds in the trash can right there to the right as well. The Kohberger's lawyer, Jason LaBar, said the family believes it is completely out of character for the 28-year-old to be accused of butchering roommates Kaylee Gonzalez, Xana Kernodle, Madison Mogan, and Ethan Chapin. LaBar told NBC News last week his family doesn't believe it to be Brian. They can't believe this. They are obviously very shocked. This certainly is completely out of character, the allegations, and really they're just trying to be supportive with the understanding that these 4 families have suffered loss. Sorry, I didn't mean to like giggle there. Just that sentence didn't even make sense. I sometimes writers don't know how to write. So you can see that's him in the back of the house because that's that little house that they have in the backyard. It's like a little like shed or something. And there he is in the front yard. So just go down here. And we'll watch that video as well, too. LaBar said Michael Kohberger had flown from their home state of Pennsylvania to Washington, where Brian was a PhD student, to meet his son before Christmas and head home together. They drove back in the white Hyundai Elantra, being sought by cops in relation to the murders, it is said. The pair were pulled over on the I-70 just outside Indianapolis on December 15th, with police body cam footage showing Michael sitting in the passenger seat alongside his son during the traffic stop. Kohberger had also told LaBar that he believed he would be exonerated after he is transferred to Idaho and will remain calm. Damning evidence from newly unsealed affidavit on January 5th shows how police were able to link him to the crime scene after he stalked the college home 12 times before the murders and also returned to the crime scene 5 hours later. Kohberger lived 8 miles from the murder scene in Moscow, Idaho, and drove the white Hyundai Elantra cops were looking to trace. And there's the victims, except for the two here on the outside in the gray sweatshirts. Those are the two remaining survivors. And it says, and with the help of genetic genealogy, cell phone data, CCTV footage, and evidence left at the crime scene, they were able to hunt down their suspect and charge him with the quadruple murder. Investigators started tracking Kohberger's movements across the U.S., with witnesses claiming that they both saw him and his father getting repairs done to a white Hyundai Elantra on December 16th. Police then impounded the vehicle from outside his parents' home when they swooped on the property in Monroe County. Law enforcement has also seen him multiple times outside of his parents' $250,000 Pennsylvania home wearing surgical gloves. Unsealed court documents show the painstaking work done by officers who matched the DNA found on the sheath to Kohberger's by comparing it to his father's DNA, which was a 99.999% match. And then there's the car that they were looking for. A SWAT team then moved in as soon as the warrant was obtained, breaking down the doors and windows in with what the source said was a dynamic entry. They added that it was a rare tactic that was only used in cases where the suspect is considered high risk. Kohberger appeared in court last Thursday, charged with the 4 murders as well as a felony burglary after being extradited to Idaho. The criminal justice graduate also spoke to confirm his name and that he had representation during a hearing in Moscow, Idaho. Kohberger now remains in jail after he is denied bail late last week. He faces the death penalty if he is found guilty of the brutal slayings. So that's all of that, the article, and then I'm going to go ahead and play this video for you guys now so you can just kind of see him cleaning the yard. Okay, so that's the end of the video that I have for you guys today. I just wanted to show you, how his dad is acting. I find it bizarre that he's out cleaning the yard. Knowing that there's people around looking at him, why would you possibly, if you're going to clean the yard, that's fine. I mean, you got to clean up after yourself. But wearing a Life is Good hoodie, is he mocking police or is he really just that, not very smart? You tell me. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this case, what you think about this story, what you think about what's going on right now. I mean, this is just crazy. It gets crazier and crazier as the day goes by. If you guys haven't yet subscribed to the channel, please do so by clicking the subscribe button below, the like button. That way other people can enjoy this video. It really does help my channel and it's free to do. If you want to support the channel monetarily, you can do so by just joining the membership group that we have. We would love to have you. And that is located on the front page of of my YouTube page. So I will see you guys all in the next video. You have a wonderful day and bye guys.